Hi students, how are you? I hope that you are all preparing well for your JEE mains examination. So last few days onwards, I covered limits, continuity, differentiation, okay, methods of differentiation also I continued. Now I am going to explain the problems which were given in the previous JEE mains examination, okay. So without wasting your valuable time, so let us start our class. The first problem is, if the curve y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where x is a real number, passes through the point 1 comma 2 and the tangent line to this curve at origin is y is equal to x, then the possible values of a, b, c are. So here options are given here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 0. Like that options are given. So I am not writing the options, right. So ultimate our aim is to find the values of A, B, C. Okay now. Now to find the values of A, B, C, we require 3 hints. What are the 3 hints? First thing, the first hint is given that the curve is passes through the point 1 comma 2. Therefore, we can substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 in that equation. We will get A, B, C one equation. Second one, and the tangent line to this curve at origin. That means the curve also passes through the point origin is y is equal to x. The slope y is equal to x. What is the slope of the tangent? Y is equal to mx. Therefore, m is equal to 1. So, one more slope of the tangent is also given. Therefore, using these 3 hints, we can find out the values of A, B, C. So, let us start the problem. First one, the curve passes through 1 comma 2. Therefore, wherever x is there, substitute 1, wherever y is there, substitute 2. Therefore, this is 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, now, right. Again, the curve passes through origin. So, this is equal to, substitute here y value 0, x value 0, here also x value 0. Ultimately, we will get c is equal to 0. We got the c value. Substitute c here, a plus b is equal to 2. Call it as equation number 1. Very easy. Now we have to find out the slope of the tangent. How to find out the slope of the tangent? Find the derivative of the given curve. What is the derivative of the given curve? Dy by dx is equal to 2ax plus b. Now what is the slope of the tangent at the point dy by dx is equal to origin 0 comma 0. At the origin 0 comma 0, that means 2a into 0 plus b. This is equal to 1. How much y is equal to mx? M value is 1. The slope of the tangent is equal to 1. So this implies b is equal to 1. So a value and b value we got, c value we got, and we got one equation. Substitute b is equal to 1. So, a plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Therefore, a value 1, b value 1, c value 0. These are the possible values of a, b, c. Very, very easy problem. So, I think this problem already done in the almost all students, those who are seriously preparing for examination. Okay. So, let us see the next problem. Welcome back to second problem. For which of the following curve the line x plus root 3y is equal to 2 root 3 is a tangent at the point 3 root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So, here the 4 curve equations are given. The problem is, for which of the following curve, so this curve we do not know which curve, at the point, so what is this point? 3 root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. This line will be the tangent. What is that line? X plus root 3y is equal to 2 root 3. So we have to find out this curve equation. Which of this? So here completely option verification. No need to find out the equation of the curve. Already the curve equation is given. Then how to do this problem? How to proceed this problem? First of all, we know the equation of this tangent. What is the, slope of this tangent. What is the slope of this tangent? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The slope is minus a by b. Minus 1 by root 3. So this is the slope of this tangent. Now take any one of this curve equation, find dy by dx, substitute this point 3 root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Let us check we will get minus 1 by root 3 or not. If we get minus 1 by root 3, definitely that will be our answer. So I will start with option 1. Now what is option 1? So curve equation is x square plus 9y square is equal to 9. Find dy by dx. So this is a 2x. So this is a 18y into y dash is equal to 0. So this is equal to x plus 9y into y dash is equal to 0. So here y dash is slope of the tangent after substituting 3 root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Substitute here, x value is how much? 3 root 3 by 2 plus 9 into y value is how much? 1 by 2. Then this your y dash will become m, slope of the tangent. Okay, now 2 can be cancelled, 3 also you can get cancelled. Ultimately this is root 3 plus 3m is equal to 0. So this root 3 also can be cancelled by root 3. So this is a 1 plus root 3m is equal to 0 by root 3 like that. So therefore m is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Therefore the slope of the tangent at the point 3 root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 to the curve x square plus 9y square is equal to 9 is minus 1 by root 3. According to the problem also, we got the slope is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Luckily, the first option will be our right answer. Sometimes there may be, if it is given in JEE mains exam, okay, only one option correct. In JEE advanced, there will be 2 or more options will be correct. At that time, what have to do? We have to check for second one, third one, fourth one. I checked here. For second, third, fourth, you won't get the equal answer. Okay, now. So for luckily, for first option only, we got the answer. Okay, first option means for one student will be first option. For since different question papers will be given, no. For another student, it may be for second option. For other student, it may be third or fourth options. Okay. For this student, the first option we got the answer. If it is first option fails, we will go for second. If it is failed, we will go for third. Okay, now. I hope that you understand this problem. Very easy problem, very easy concept. Next we will go for next problem. Welcome to third problem. A tangent is drawn to the parabola y square is equal to 6x, which is perpendicular to the line 2x plus y is equal to 1. Which of the following points does not lie on it? Does not lie on it means on tangent. First of all, y square is equal to 6x, parabola is there. So this is equal to, this is y square is equal to 6x parabola. There is a tangent, yes, there is a tangent, yes, it is a tangent. It is perpendicular to one of the line. What is that line? 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. The tangent is perpendicular to the line 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now then he is asking which of the following points, that means 4 points are given, which does not lie on this tangent. Okay, first we will find out the equation of the tangent. Afterwards, we will substitute 1 by 1 point, whichever it does not satisfy, that is our answer. So to do this problem, so we have one small concept in parabola. What is the parabola? The equation of this tangent is generally y is equal to mx plus c. Here c is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. C is nothing but a by m. So your c is equal to a by m. So this is called tangential condition. The line y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax when c is equal to a by m. Now coming to here, y is equal to m, we don't know, that is equal to, what is your a? 4a is equal to 6 compared to this parabola. These two are parabola equation. 4a is equal to 6, therefore a is equal to 3 by 2. Now coming to what is our equation of tangent? What is our equation of tangent? Y is equal to mx plus what is our a value? 3 by 2 by what is our m value? We don't know the slope of the tangent. Now we are going to find out the slope of the tangent. How to find out the slope of the tangent? So what is the slope of this normal? So the slope of this is normal is minus a by 2, minus 2. Now since these two lines are perpendicular, what is the slope of the tangent? M is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore your M value is 1 by 2. So therefore y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Okay now? 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. So 2 will cancel. Y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 3. Okay. So you now you will check one by one. First substitute point 0, 3. So wherever x is there, substitute here 0, 3 is equal to 3. So that cannot be your answer. Why? Because it lies on the tangent. So this is the equation of the tangent. Second one, minus 6, 0. So minus 6, that means 2 1s are 2 3s are minus 3 plus 3, 0. Therefore it lies on the point, on the tangent. Right? 4, 5. Here 4. X value is 4, 2 2s are 2 plus 3, 5, y is equal to 5. So this also lies your answer, therefore it is not your answer. Coming to 5, 4, so substitute here 5 by 2 plus 3, it cannot be equal to 4. Therefore, the point 5, 4 does not lie on the tangent. So actually speaking, here we did not use any differentiation concept. The differentiation concept we does not use it, but we used this tangent concept. Tangent, what is the slope of the tangent? Dy by dx. Okay, now like that also we can find out. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. The value of limit h tends to 0, 2 times root 3 of sine of pi by 6 plus h minus cos of pi by 6 plus h whole divided by root 3 h into root 3 cos h minus sin h. So if it, even though it appears a very big problem, so very easy problem. So whenever such type of expressions are given, sine, cos, sine, better to convert them into as a single trigonometric function. Here sine, cos, how can we make it into a single trigonometric function, whether it is a sine or cos? How to do this? So by seeing this, can you get any idea? Sine A cos B minus cos A sin B, like that? Yes. Here root 3 is there. If we divide with by 2, root 3 by 2, then we can put it as a sin 60, like that. No, that idea you have to get. So now what I am going to do is, so this is equal to, first idea what you have to get know is, here it is sine and it is cos. Here root 3 is there. Can we make it into a single trigonometric function? That you have to think like that. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 2 into, right, what I am going to do is root 3 by 2 I am writing. Root 3 by 2, that is sine of pi by 6 plus h minus 1 by 2 cos of pi by 6 plus h whole divided by root 3h as it is. Here also root 3 by 2 cos h minus 1 by 2 sin h. Right? Can I write down? So here by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. Nothing wrong in it. So your expression, both the expressions will be same. Now, so our next step is limit h tends to 0. Here you can cancel root 3 you can cancel, 2 also you can cancel. So sorry, I am wrong. So root 3 by 2. So it is not for cancellation we wrote. So right. Root 3 by 2, can I write down sin 60? So that is equal to 2 into, this is a sin 60, that is pi by root 3 by 2. So not sin, I will write down cos 60. So that is equal to cos 30. So I will write it as a cos pi by 6 into sin of pi by 6 plus h minus, this is equal to sin 30. Sin pi by 6 into cos of pi by 6 plus h divided by, so this is equal to root 3h into. So here root 3 by 2. So how to make it into a single entity? So here also we can make it as a sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this is equal to cosine 60, that means equal to pi by 3 into cos h minus cos pi by 3 into sin h. Now, so ultimately your answer is limit h tends to 0, 2 into, so this is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, A minus B. So, pi by 6 plus h, plus pi by 6 minus pi by 6 will get cancelled. In the numerator, you will get sin h by root 3 into h. So, this is equal to, see here, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, sin of A minus B. So, this is your answer. Okay. Now, so, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h value is equal to 1. So, this is equal to 2 by root 3 into, wherever h is there substitute, sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 means sin 60. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means 3 by root 2. Root 3 by 2. So, this is equal to root 3 by 2. That is 2 by root 3 will become by, because it is in the denominator. So, 2 2s are 4, root 3 into root 3, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is your answer. Very nice problem. It was asked in 2021. So, the first idea what how to get is here sin cos is there, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Here also cos and sin is there, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Can we make it or not? If you get that idea, the solution is very, very easy. Slowly, smoothly it will. So, if you get the idea that we can, you have to divide by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, the problem will be over. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to the next problem. Let f of x be a differential function at x is equal to a with f dash of a is equal to 2 and f of a is equal to 4. Then the value of limit extends to a, x into f of a minus a into f of x by x minus a is equal to. Okay, now then how to do this problem? Right, as usual, generally how we will proceed? X tends to a, wherever x is there, substitute a. What happens? So this is a into f of a minus a into f of a by a minus a. How much you get? 0 by 0, which is not required answer, which is indeterminate form. Then what we will do? We will go for L'Hopital rule. What is that L'Hopital rule? So this is a limit x tends to a. Find the derivative of the numerator and denominator. So what is the derivative of x into f of a? Here f of a is a constant. For the derivative of x is 1. Therefore, it is a f of a minus a into. What is the derivative of f of x? Notation, f dash of x. So this is f dash of x by, the derivative of x is 1 minus a derivative is 0, total denominator is a. Now you substitute wherever x is there, substitute a. Let us see what happens. So this is equal to this f of a only minus a into f dash of a. Now all values are readily available. F of a value is equal to how much? 4 minus a is a only. F dash of a value is how much? 2. That is equal to 2a. So 4 minus 2a will be your answer. So this is your answer. Very, very easy problem. Very, very easy problem. By seeing all these description, these questions, generally students will get afraid. By seeing the problem only they are afraid. They don't start doing the problem. The first thing what you have to do is, wherever x is there, substitute a. Let us see what happens. 0 by 0. Immediately next idea what you have to get? L'Hopital rule. Yes, we did the L'Hopital rule. All values are available. Substitute and get the answer. Okay, na? So very, very easy problem. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. Let step of t denotes the greatest integer function, greatest integer less than or equal to t. The number of points where the function, see such a big function is given, and one more, the interval is also given from -2 to 2. the function is not continuous. It is not continuous. Whereas by seeing this problem, generally students get panic and or tension, whatever may be that. In which points? In between -2 to 2, in how many number of points the function is not continuous. That means left hand side limit and right hand side limit, they are not equal. First of all, this total function is defined from -2 to 2. So that is the domain is from -2 to 2. What we have to do is, we have to do it into piecewise function. That means, see here -2 to 2. First I will take here, see here -2 to 2. -2 to 2 means what? Here it is -2, it is 2, here -1, 0, 1. First I will define the function from -2 to -1, next -1 to 0, again 0 to 1, 1 to 2. That means I am going to do this function into piecewise slices. I am going to do slice. Just if a cake is there, 4 friends came, -2 to -1, -1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 4 friends. I am making into 4 slices. So what is the here? X belongs to -2 to -1. Here x belongs to -1 to 0. Here x belongs to, sorry, here closed bracket. Here 0 to 1 closed. Here x belongs to closed 1 to 2, 2, open, closed 1 to, right. So I am making the function into 4 slices, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see what happens one by one, right. Step of x value will be how much? First, if you observe here, from if x belongs to -2 to -1, let us take x is equal to 1, -1.5. X is equal to -1.5. Let us see that. If we substitute here, modulus of -1.5 is equal to how much? -2. Modulus of -1.5 is equal to how much? -2. -2 plus 3 is equal to how much? -2 plus 3, 1. So this will become sin pi by 3. So let us take x is equal to -1.5. Okay. So here modulus of -1.5 is equal to how much? -2. -2 plus 3 is equal to how much? 1. That means sin pi. Sin pi value is equal to how much? 0. This will become 0. Okay, now substitute here -1.5 here, -1.5 plus 1. -1.5 plus 1 means how much here? -1.5 plus 1. How much? This is a -0.5. -0.5 is how much? -1. So this value is 0. This value is -1. So this you got -1. What about this? Step of x. Step of minus of 1.5 means -2. So this is equal to -2 modulus of x square minus 1. So you put it as -1. Understand? So x square, modulus of x square, you put it like that, nothing wrong in it. So no need to separate that here. So here if you put x is equal to -1.5, so if you square it, you will get a positive value. So put it like that, no problem. Right? Next one, -2.4. So this is a -1.5 minus, this is a -0, -1, already -1 is there, now this is +1, right. Next, -1 to 0. -1 to 0 means what? X is equal to, let us take -0.5. Let us take x is equal to -0.5. Substitute here. What is step of -0.5, that is -1. -1 plus 3, -1 plus 3, 2. Sin 90. Sin 90 value is equal to how much? This is 1. So this is equal to +1. So this is a minus of -0.5 plus 1, and that means 1 minus 0.5, 0.5, that is 0. So total this will become 0 now. Now coming to here, step of -0.5, that is -1. So this is equal to minus modulus of x square minus 1. So this is the second one. Coming to x belongs to 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Let us take x is equal to 0 to 1 means you are here. 0.5 you take. for your understanding purpose 0.5. So what is step of 0.5? It is 0. Step of 0.5 is 0. So total this will become 0. So here step of 0.5 is 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 means sin 60. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. This is 0.5 plus 1. 1.5. 0.5 plus 1. 1.5. Step of 1.5 means 1. That is equal to minus 1. Root 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay now. Right. So once again I am telling 0.5. I am taking x is equal to 0.5. 0.5 plus 1. 1.5. 1.5. Step of 1.5 means 1. That is minus 1. Right. Coming to 1 to 2. See, here I am taking. Let us take x is equal to 1.5. Now step of 1.5 is equal to how much? 1. Therefore it remains x square minus 1 plus 1.5. 1.5 means step of 1.5 means what? 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 minus. What happens this? So here 1.5 plus 1. 2.5. Step of 2.5, 2 minus 2. So this is your piecewise function. This is a piecewise function. Okay now? Right. Let us find the left hand side limit and the right hand side limit at minus 1, 0, 1. Let us say what happens. Welcome back. Now I am checking the continuity of the function at x is equal to minus 1. At x is equal to minus 1. What is left hand side limit? So limit extends to minus 1 minus. That means you have to substitute this value, that is equal to minus 2 times modulus of x square minus 1 plus 1. So wherever x is there, substitute minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Total this is 0. This is a 1. What is right hand side limit? Right hand side limit. Substitute here minus 1 to 0. So this is the right hand side limit. Substitute here wherever. So this is a limit extends to minus 1 plus. So in competitive examination, no need of writing all these steps. Okay. So this is equal to x square minus 1 plus 1. X, wherever x is there, substitute minus 1. So this is equal to 1 you will get. Again you will get 1. So therefore left hand side limit is equal to right hand side limit. Therefore the function is continuous. X is equal to minus 1. And wherever x is equal to minus 1, the functional value is also 1. That is f of minus 1 is also 1. Therefore it is continuous. Let us check at x is equal to 0. Let x is equal to 0. What is left hand side limit? Substitute here 0. Substitute here 0. What is the left hand side limit? Directly I am writing left hand side limit is equal to 1. Substitute 0 here. 0 to 1. Right hand side limit is equal to how much? RHL. RHL value root 3 by 2 minus 1. LHL is equal to RHL. LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, it is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Now at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. Let us check. 0 to 1. 1 left side. That means what is the left hand side limit? LHL is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 minus 1. What is RHL? Wherever x is there, substitute 1. Right, 1 to 2. 1 square 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This is equal to 1 by root 2 minus 2. Obviously, both are not equal. Therefore, at x is equal to 1 also, the function is not continuous. Therefore, the number of points of discontinuous is equal to how many? 2 points. At x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, the curve is discontinuous. In the given problem, the total essence of the problem lies in this only. So that means dividing, making the function into piecewise. Whenever modulus is given or step function is given or sigma function is given, try to divide that function into small intervals. Why? Because their behavior will change. Modulus function, step function, their behavior will change from every interval. So minus 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, like that their behavior will change. Okay, na? So I divided into like that minus 2 to minus. So the function is given from minus 2 to 2. So I made it into 4 pieces, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Then I observe left hand side limit, right hand side limits I observe. So at x is equal to minus 1 only, the function is this is a continuous. Remaining 2 points, it is not discontinuous. Okay, na? I hope that you understand this solution. Welcome to this problem. The problem is limit f of x is equal to, so one expression is given, algebraic expression with degree 6, where x belongs to 6. Then the natural number n for which limit extends to 1, x power n f of 1 minus f of x by x minus 1 is equal to 44 is. Okay, now, right. So whenever such type of problems are given, generally if you substitute x is equal to 1 here, 1 to the power of n is equal to how much? 1, f of 1 minus f of 1 by 1 minus 1. That means you are getting 0 by 0. So we have to do L'Hospital rule. That means we have to find the natural number n. We have to find the natural number n such that the limit value is equal to 44. Then, so since we are getting, if we substitute x is equal to 1, we are getting 0 by 0. Therefore, we will go for L'Hospital rule. Okay, na? So let us go for L'Hospital rule. Limit extends to 1. Here f of 1 is a constant. X power n derivative is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So this is f of 1. This is a f dash of x by x minus 1 derivative, x derivative 1 minus 1 derivative 0. So this is 1, this is equal to 44. Okay, now next x tends to 1, wherever x is there, substitute 1 here, here 1 you substitute, 1 to the power of n minus 1, it will become n, 1 n into, this is f of 1 minus f dash of 1 is equal to 44. Right. What is f of 1? F of 1 means what here? Wherever x is there, substitute 1 here, 1, 1, 1, 1. If we substitute, what will get? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. N into 9 minus f dash of 1. That means f dash of 1 means what? You have to find out f dash of x. This is equal to 6x to the power of 5, 8x cube plus 3x square plus 2. X to the power of 6 derivative 6x to the power of 5. X power 4 derivative 8x cube. X cube derivative 3x square. 2x derivative 2. F dash of x. F dash of 1 means what? Wherever x is there, substitute 1. Here 1, here 1, here. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 2, 19 is equal to 44. So if you solve this, n value will become 7, right? Only now 9 7s are 63. 63 minus 19 is equal to 44. So therefore your n value is equal to 7 will be the correct answer. Very, very easy problem. So by doing the L'Hospital rule, the problem will be easily will come. I hope that you understand this solution. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more problems and some more concepts. In the tomorrow's class, I will stand before you. Until then, all the best.